Here's a good way to get this clean. I found gonna get the dust out from behind the buttons. There's lots of little nooks. I've got the lock on too. Thing's plenty dirty. You see all the... It's like, can't get it off of there. Got a speck of something, yeah. I've seen much dirtier radios than this, but yeah, it's getting the dust off of the buttons for sure. Well, you can just barely hear these guys anymore. Well, it looks a lot better than it did. I can still see a little bit of dust way deep up in it. What I'll probably end up needing to do is take my air compressor, there seems to be a lot of crap on the tune button, but anyway, this kind of paint really attracts dirt. It's not like the smooth vinyl that they use on these, and then this one's really nice. I'm so glad that Yaesu went to this smooth vinyl. So, but anyway, just trying to get it kind of clean. So like I said, the guy that we looked up that this call sign is, born in 1930. That would basically be basically how many years old? 96 years old or something? I don't know. A few years shy of 100. So 2030. So 94 years old. 93 or 94, depending on, you know, the month, I guess. There's a little bit of grime on these. Well, overall, I think this came clean. It's dried out now. Doesn't look as bad as it did. Just slide it back on there. Put it all nice and even. That's as good as I can get it. It's not quite 100% straight on there, but it's okay here. So this radio, you tighten this other band, and it, you know, puts a little drag on here.